Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username in PC. So go to setting. In account you can see your account name, your PC name. You can see your account name in here. So I'm going to change this account name. Close this one and in search bar type control panel. In control panel, go to user account and choose this one, user account. So you can see in here my name. If you want to change this name, then simply click on here, change your account name. So I'm going to type my account name and click on change name. So if I go to setting again to see my account name, so guys, now this time you can see my new account name. So in this way you can easily change your user account name in PC. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.